Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video we already discussed about how we can install Angular in Windows 10 machine. Today we want to discuss about creation of an Angular project, then adding Bootstrap to it, routing and component creation in Angular project. So we can directly move to the topic. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the like button also. We can create a new project now, so we can take this for I want to create a new project named as ANGC routing with the option routing. We can select the style sheet. I want to select CSS. We can add Bootstrap to our project. So we can now we can move to the project. The JSON file, we can see the details of Bootstrap /details. So we can directly move to the next step. We can create components for our project. I want to create two components. One is Bootstrap and another one is book category. For creation of component, we can add a command ng generate b for component. We can add a component named as book. Then next one is book category, so I name it as book cat. Then we need to add path to our component. Here in index.html is focusing to our app component HTML. In the app component HTML we can see a router tag. We can delete the unwanted things here. Then check app module.ts. Here we can see the components which are created from our side. One is book component and another one is book category component. We need to specify our routing path in app routing module. So we can add our path here. In app module TS file and routing module, we can see the duplication of component names. So we can create an array and we can export it from here, and in app module TS we can import it. So and then we need to add a UI to our project. Here I already created a UI as like this one, unordered list with some anchor tag. In that anchor tags I just specify the reference as like this one. These list details I will specify in my description tag. Just take that one and paste it here. Check the references. We can run the application now. We can check in browser. When we click book category, it is moving to book cat. Then we click book property. As like this way we can do the routing and the navigation. This is very easy step. If you face any trouble, you can comment it. We can discuss it later. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.